Welcome back to Vision Effect TV, where high-level engineering meets deep technical analysis. Today, we are examining a massive milestone in luxury SUV history, the world premiere of the all-new Audi Q9. Make no mistake, Audi is not simply adding another model to its SUV lineup, they are establishing a whole new flagship benchmark. Positioning itself directly above the Q7 and Q8, the Q9 enters the full-size ultra-luxury segment with staggering proportions, measuring well over 5.3 meters in length. But the absolute focal point driving global discussion is its radical, imposing front end and a single-frame grille execution unlike anything ever seen on an Audi before. They have completely reimagined their design language, utilizing massive vertical air elements, integrated illumination channels, and dynamic microprojectors, giving this vehicle an undeniable, dominating road presence. Let's analyze the engineering behind this statement. Step inside, and the Q9 reveals Audi's most advanced interior architecture to date. Available in tailored 6 or 7-seat configurations, the cabin features fully power-operated automated doors, backed by integrated side radar to prevent accidental collisions. Occupants are treated to an expansive panoramic smart glass roof with switchable electrochromic opacity, dynamic multi-zone climate management, and a 4D sound experience with active tactile bass drivers integrated right into the seats. Up front, a continuous triple-screen digital cockpit gives the driver and passenger total control over real-time vehicle telemetry. Visually, the Audi Q9 commands instant, undeniable road authority from every single angle. Beyond that colossal front single-frame mask, the side profile presents clean, architectural surfacing, integrated flush-fitting door handles, and massive 23-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels designed specifically to optimize high-speed airflow and reduce wake turbulence. The overall stance is imposing, designed to project pure executive dominance on the tarmac while maintaining clean, functional aerodynamics. Notice how the roofline tapers slightly toward the rear, giving this massive full-size luxury footprint a surprisingly athletic, swept-back silhouette without compromising third-row headroom. At the rear, Audi debuts a world-first technical innovation: 3D, curved digital OLED lighting panels. Engineered using flexible, ultra-thin 0.1mm glass substrates, these light modules contour precisely along the dynamic curves of the rear bodywork, offering customized dynamic lighting signatures, real-time vehicle 2x safety warnings, and active ground projection turn signals. This isn't just cosmetic styling. It is a brilliant convergence of high-end automotive design and advanced optic physics, setting a completely new standard for exterior lighting integration on a flagship vehicle. Underneath its imposing metal, the Audi Q9 relies on advanced powertrain engineering paired with permanent quattro all-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension. Central to its performance capability is Audi's latest MHEV Plus architecture, integrating a next-generation powertrain generator, dynamic brake energy recuperation, and an electrically driven compressor designed to eliminate turbo lag instantly. The internal combustion options are built for heavy-duty luxury performance. Depending on the market, power comes from a refined 3.0-liter V6 delivering up to 630 Nm of torque, or a flagship twin-turbo V8 producing massive output. The electric compressor fills lower RPM torque gaps seamlessly before the primary turbocharger spool, delivering smooth, instantaneous throttle response during low-speed maneuvers. Furthermore, the 48-volt MHEV Plus electric motor can supply up to 18 kilowatts of additional boost directly to the 8-speed Tiptronic transmission. This allows for engine-off maneuvering during low-speed parking, smooth start-stop operation, and extended zero-emission coasting at highway speeds, significantly cutting overall fuel consumption and emissions without compromising on muscle. Pair this hybrid technology with standard adaptive air suspension and active rear axle steering, and the Q9 completely transforms on the road. At high speeds, the chassis automatically lowers to optimize drag coefficient and high-speed stability. In tight urban conditions, the rear-wheel steering turns counterphase to dramatically shrink the turning radius, giving this 5.3-meter giant the maneuverability of a far smaller luxury crossover. So, what is our final technical verdict here at Vision Effect TV? Has Audi successfully redefined the executive full-size SUV segment? If you demand an imposing physical presence on the road, groundbreaking 3D optic technology, and an ultra-quiet, executive lounge cabin backed by real hybrid torque delivery, the Audi Q9 establishes a formidable new benchmark. What are your thoughts on Audi's MHEV Plus technology and their bold new flagship? Drop your technical analysis in the comments below. If you enjoyed this in-depth engineering breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Vision Effect TV, and turn on notifications for more expert automotive engineering reviews.